Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 7, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals -5, and y equals 6.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 7 to x equals -5, the run is -12. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 6, the rise is 4.
Slope is rise divided by run, 4 over -12, which simplifies to -1/3. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is -1/3, x1 is 7, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.